Hello, good morning my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are very good, fit and fine. So today we are going for continue portion of third part of Omna's Journey workbook solution. Here we are going for the ending third part of Omna's Journey workbook solution. Now started with the first one. Where did Omna's uncle here? That is the questions from Riya's family. Though we did not write here answer here. We cannot write this answer. So now second one. Which of the following information is not there in the train ticket? Which detail information? So the address of the passenger are not given and not so in a ticket offered passenger. Okay, so here the option number D is the answer. Now third and fourth we cannot write because it is from Riya's journey. Now fifth one, in what did Omna's have right in the sea? So in the sea they are right in a boat. Okay, now sixth one, how did the sun look in the evening on the beach? It looks to be going down in the sea. So option number C is the answer. Question number 2, first, second and third are from Riya's journey. So now we are going for fourth one. Omna sat in a boat and had a ride in the sea. Okay, so right answer is C here. Fifth one, at the beach the evening sky was looking so colorful. So you can write here colorful. Sixth one is from Riya's journey. Okay, now next page. Question number 3, mark in front of the statement correct and false here. So these all questions are from Riya's family. So now move on to question number 4. This is also from Riya's family. Now move on to question number 5 here. Answer the following questions as asked. Okay, so look at the picture of the train ticket given here. Find the following informations from the ticket and write it. So some informations are given here regarding to train ticket. Okay, so this is the one picture of train ticket. You have to write the questions given here, write the answers of questions given here. Okay, from the help and reference of this above given ticket. Okay, so first one question are like that. Here the first question are asking like that, what is the number of the train? What is the train number? So we can say that the train number is 9037. Okay, the train number is 9037. Here the train number. So where is the train number here? Here is the train number 9037. So what is the date of journey? So we can say that 24/12/2018 is the date of journey. So what is the coach and seat number here? A1 is a coach and the seat number is 21, 23 and 22. We can say that 21, 22, 23. Okay, now fare of ticket. Fare of ticket means cost of ticket. So it is about 2578. Okay, now distance covered. So how many distance covered by the train? That is 643. Okay, now name of the train, that is a Awadh Express. Okay, that is Awadh Express. And the last question, the ticket is for how many men and women are here? So you can see here M is full form of man and the F is full form of woman. Okay, that is female and male. So how many male are here? Two men here and one woman here. Okay, so this is all about of this question which are given. Some questions are given. This is the answer from the following reference of ticket. Now question number 2, detailed informations of Riya's train. Here you have to write this all the questions which are given below. So write the arrival time and train of the places given below. So Gandhidham, the time of the train arrival, that is 8:55. Okay, now second one, Ahmedabad, the train arrived at 2:35 and the Surat, the train arrived at 7 hour. Okay, now next one, from which station did the train start at and what time? So we can say that the train started from Bhuj station at 7:50 p.m. So what is the distance that the train travel from Bhuj to Gandhidham? So about 58 kilometer train travel from Bhuj to Gandhidham. Okay, so now fourth one, on which day of the journey did the train reach Vapi? So the train reached Vapi at the second day of the journey. How many kilometers did travel by train? So about train travel total 680 kilometers and the Riya journey started from Gandhidham station. It is about 58 kilometers away from the main station. So we have to minus 58 kilometers. So your answer is 622 kilometer train travel. Okay, so question number 6, answer the following question in 2 sentences. So have you ever visited seesaw? Have you ever visited beach? So which place you have visited? So yes, last year we have to visited trip to Goa in our school. Okay, so at that time we have to went to many more beaches also. Question number 2 are from Riya's journey. Now question number 3, name the vehicles in which we need to buy ticket to travel. So we need to buy ticket to travel in buses, trains, boats, ropeways, steamers, airplanes, etc. Okay, question number 4. Now question number 5 here, in which language is the name of the station written on the railway station in Gujarat? So obviously in Gujarat we have to write in a Gujarati language name. Okay, so on the railway station in Gujarat, the name of station written in a Gujarati language, Hindi language and English language. Question number 6 and 7 are from Riya's journey. Now next one, that is a seventh one. So seventh one, why did Omna's family take 2 auto rickshaws to go to Ammuma's village? Because Omna's family take 2 auto rickshaws here because there was so much luggage in their have. Okay, so because of so much luggage on that time, they also have a rule that 3 people only stand in a auto rickshaw. That's why they have to take 2 auto rickshaws. Now question number 2, sometime at some places we need to take entry ticket. They can write their name. So we need to buy ticket to enter places like movie theater, circus, drama hall, zoos, science cities, magicians hall, museums, etc. places we have to buy need to ticket for enter. Okay, now which details are given on a railway timetable? So we can say that the detail about the route of the each train, the detail about the station in between route, detail about the train arrival time and departure time, and also give the information regarding the distance. Okay, so this is all about our Omna's journey of our workbook solution. Now we are going to ending here. Bye bye, take